Congratulations on buying your Bosch Induction. You know, induction is the greatest way of having fast results, effective, and most precise when it comes to cooking. Let's get into how we operate the Bosch Induction Cooktop. Let's get into all the great features and benefits that it offers so that you make the most out of your new purchase. You may be asking yourself, how do I know whether or not my pots or pans that I already own are induction ready? Simply take it out, grab a magnet. If it sticks, your pot and pan is ready for action. So first, we turn it on, and then we select which zone we want to cook with. Well, clearly, my center area has my pot ready to go. I can then select a 1.5 or a 6 or even an 8.5 or a 9. The point is I have 0 through 9 and spaces in between for precise control over what I'm trying to cook. Or to add even more power, we can activate Speed Boost, which is going to deliver 50% more power to my pot or pan. With induction, only the pan is being heated, so everything around it is cool to the touch. Now earlier, you noticed that I was boiling water. Now currently the water's gone, but there is an H that remains. That's letting me know that that zone is still hot. But now I want to do something different. I want to focus our attention on what we see here. Multiple different things at one time. So let's turn on our cooktop, select a zone, and now if you notice over here it says flex, join, or split. Now I see only one number. I can easily select what number I want, and now this entire pan, or should I say griddle, is being utilized. What if I wanted only part of that griddle to be one temperature and maybe the back portion to be another? Well, I can unzone those, select my top area, and maybe give that a 1. Now I have one cooking vessel, but 2 different temperatures. Now we're going to talk about Auto Chef. Auto Chef automatically regulates the frying temperatures to maintain the perfect mix for your cooking. Here we go. We're going to select our zone, select Auto Chef. Notice that we have 1 through 5 different temperature settings. I'm going to cook a fish, so I'm first going to select number 3. It's going to start blinking. When it's ready, it's going to beep. We'll be then ready to add our contents and cook. We're ready to add our salmon. Listen to that sizzle. And that's how you maintain the right temperature for the fish or anything else that you're trying to fry using Auto Chef. With the easy to clean glass surface, cleanup is quite simple.